Friends, we want top-class scientific research to help our farmers. Our agriculture research scientists have worked hard to ramp up our production of pulses. Today, we import only a very small fraction of our pulses. Our food grain production has hit a record high. Friends, recently, India got a national education policy. After over 3 decades, India has such a policy. The making of this policy involved widespread consultation for several months. This national education policy, Rashtriya Shiksha Niti, aims to boost curiosity towards science. It gives much needed boost to research and innovation. I am particularly optimistic about the focus on multidisciplinary studies. The open and broad-based academic environment will nurture young talent. Today, India is also a major contributor and partner in various scientific research and development efforts at the global level. Some of these are Laser Interferometer Gravitation Wave Observatory, LIGO, approved in February 2016, European Organization for Nuclear Research, CERN, CERN, where India has been an associate member since January 2017, and International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, ITER. For this supporting research is being carried out in my home state Gujarat at the Institute of Plasma Research. Friends, the need of the hour is to ensure more youngsters develop interest in science. For that, we must get well versed with the science of history and the history of science. Over the last century, leading historical questions have been solved with the help of science. Scientific methods are now used in determining dates and helping in research. We also need to amplify the rich history of Indian science. Sadly, for long, many youngsters have been fed the lie that everything before modernity was superstition and dark ages. Today is the age of computers, programming, mobiles, and applications. But even there, what is at the base of all computing? It is binary code, 1 and 0. Friends, when one speaks of 0, how can one not speak of India? 0 made much of mathematics and commerce accessible to all. Our youth must know about Baudhayana, Bhaskara, Varamera, Nagarjuna, Sushrut, and many others like Satyendranath Bose and C.V. Raman in the modern era. The list is long. Friends, inspired by our glorious past and powered by our achievements in the present, we are looking ahead with great hope. We are aiming to build a secure and prosperous future for the coming generations. India's clarion call of an Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India, includes a vision of global welfare. In order to realize this dream, I invite you all and seek your support. Just recently, India introduced pioneering space reforms. These reforms provide opportunities for both industry and academia. You are all aware of India's vibrant startup ecosystem. These advances would never be complete without the groundwork done by scientists, innovators, and academics. Our startup sector would gain from your mentorship. Friends, the Indian diaspora are excellent ambassadors of India at the world stage. Wherever they have gone, they have taken with them the ethos of India. They have also embraced the cultures of their new homes. The Indian diaspora has been successful in many fields. Academics is one shining example. Most of the top global universities and many of the top technological corporations in the world have benefited greatly from the presence of Indian talent. Through Vaibhav, we present to you a great opportunity, an opportunity to connect and contribute. It will make India provide homegrown solutions to the challenges we face. It will create prosperity for others. It will help India create disruptive technologies. Friends, we are meeting on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. I am reminded of something that Gandhiji has said almost 100 years ago in 1925 while speaking at the Maharaja College, Thiruvananthapuram. He wanted the fruits of scientific progress to reach rural India, where most of our people live. Bapu also believed in broad-basing science. In 1929, he tried something unique. He tried crowdsourcing. He sought ways to design a lightweight spinning wheel. His care for the villagers, the youth, the poor, and his vision to integrate the larger public with science inspire us. Today, we remember another proud son of India on his Jayanti, our former PM, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. We remember his humility, simplicity, and great leadership. Friends, I wish you all the best of your discussions and assure that we will work to make Vaibhav and its outcomes a grand success. Before ending, I advise all of you to take full care of your health, to take all precautions and to remain safe. Thank you. Thank you very much.